Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically are discussing on a topic that is investment basically that is the tax working. So one of the person told that India basically is doing what actually? One of the person literally asked the question. Cricket actually forgive the India basically. But we can't forgive the India na, basically because Indian basically uh, if one match basically is ongoing from 150 crore basically entire 150 crore people basically watch cricket. That means everybody know this basically or not, that basically that is the question basically. So here one of the person told that this was hitted basically, right, and the money basically was collected from cricket match. So before basically the World Cup basically was happened, this incidents happened. Why this incidents happened? Because the money collecting of the cricket basically of the 1992 World Cup. I exactly don't remember which match was that. So if you anybody, any CID person or basically any World Trade FBI group are investigating this, so they can basically collect the information. But you can't reach basically. Why? Because because this person age is 30,000 40,000 year old, and he is not Marathi. But this person basically are Maharashtrian. And I am 100% sure basically he is relative of this person basically, and he actually planned 1983, and he basically got success basically in 1983. So he planned this also. And one of the person told that he is Maharashtrian basically. So Maharashtrian means Chhatrapati Shivaji. Because without Chhatrapati Shivaji, not a single incident basically happens in Maharashtrian community. So one of the person told that India is a terrorist country basically. One of the person literally asked the question: Is India is a terrorist country? Is all Indian basically who are basically watching cricket they are terror? That basically was the question basically which was asked by Sunilar Nair basically, because this is very serious incidents basically. This is very dangerous incidents basically. This is the most dangerous incidents basically happened. To do this basically they have done this. So the complete verification basically they have done through this incident. And lots of people says that as per the Gaikwad creation basically, the Laden basically who died, he might be 100% done human cloned basically. Human cloned means he might be died basically, or basically then he might be, his body basically might be used basically. So as per the Gaikwad basically system basically, that Laden body basically might be used in USA basically. In USA means not also basically in the some small normal post basically. His body, for example, Laden basically has done what? He basically destroyed the World Trade Center. So the next birth basically which he might have got, that might be of the creation. So he might be some USA presidentship basically he might have got, or basically he might be going to get. But this incident basically happened in 2001. So it's a too much year. So mostly basically nearly president basically, or basically the future president basically might be Bin Laden, but he might not be Bin Laden. His body is basically cloned, human cloning, because he do this type of activities only. This person basically do this type of activity only. The person basically who died like Lal Bahadur Shastri, his body was used basically in human cloning, and he is basically the king of Vadodara city basically. So one of the person told that Hindustan basically कहाँ जा रहा है? One of the person literally asked the question. India is going where basically? Terrorist becoming going to become terrorist basically. In this you will not believe basically that this group basically gets the high tight police security basically. If one person basically is getting high tight security, that means public some public basically might be knowing that this basically this type of activity basically are done in cricket industry basically. That is the BCCI group basically do this type of terror activities, and BCCI means European country basically. So one of the person told that European country basically created India, so they created India in that way only basically. You also become terror. You also basically create terror team basically. So this is terror team basically. Sorry, yeah, this it's a terrorist team basically. See, so one of the person told like where basically India is going. So one of the person told the India is going this way only basically because this everything is done basically. Now basically you can't, and basically you will not able to believe basically India is basically the most powerful country in the world basically. So one of the person told that in India basically many types of people basically exist, like Mahatma Gandhi also exist and Nathuram Godse also exist. So it might possible that somebody might have created Mahatma Gandhi also and Godse also basically. So here basically the question is basically this basically was hitted before this. He basically has he is the person basically who won the World Cup basically. He basically have name basically in India. That is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He basically have good name basically. You will not be able to. When you come to India basically, you will anybody will sorry in Mumbai basically you ask, अरे भाई महेंद्र सिंह धोनी कुठे राहतो? So small kid also basically knows. अच्छा that kid basically that terror basically. So one of the person told that India is going basically which way basically, and he basically is getting full respect basically in India. He basically gets full police support basically that nobody can touch him basically. And I am 100% sure basically he is Maharashtrian basically. Why? Because this type of person basically don't believe anyone basically. He only believes in his family members. He is that kind of, because I was in Vidyagunj, so he was also in Vidyagunj. As I know basically this person basically, he never trusts anyone basically. So one of the person told that the person who saw you saw basically in Vidyagunj, he was a real Kiran More. That is also question basically. That is also question basically because this person basically this person कहाँ गया है? हाँ, this person creation is like this. There are multiple person basically. There are multiple Mahendra Singh Dhoni, multiple Kiran More, but real person who is into the field basically, he is totally different basically. So one of the person told that that means the roadmap basically to reach to the world basically that is coming from underground also. For example, one person basically want to reach Europe. First way is plane, another way is road also basically, and that also under basically underpass, the underground road basically. So the cricket player basically of India basically, who is created from this group basically, they have basically created one roadmap basically from underground, that from this roadmap basically you have to reach to the cricket stadium basically, and the person basically who flies from the plane basically, they all are duplicates basically. The people who real plays the cricket ground, they are totally different because his person creation is like this basically. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this Sajira Gaikwad creation basically.